I want to give you 5 underrated things that every business owner needs in today's climate. Number 1, you need a community or support group. I'm talking about a group, and hopefully it's within the same niche as your business is in. However, as long as it's a group of like-minded individuals, that's the most important thing. Some type of community that you can go to and you can learn from, whether you have questions about your industry or about business in general. You got a tax question, you have an invoicing question, you have a software question, you just have a clarity question, you don't know which way to go. You gotta have a community where you can go, like at a drop of a dime, and just ask that question and get that support that you need, because entrepreneurship is extremely lonely, and a lot of people don't talk about that, because typically as an entrepreneur, especially as a successful one, you're a loner. You know what I mean? It's a lonely road to the top. It's lonely at the top a lot of times, and so it doesn't have to be if you can have a community there to help you. And I tell you what, like, we are in the age of information. AI exists, and you got Google out there, you got YouTube out there, but at the end of the day, nothing beats that human interaction when you can just go to a community of people and get multiple different opinions from real people who've actually walked the walk, or who are actually walking the walk as you're walking the walk, right? Sometimes you want the opinion of people who are right at the level that you are. Sometimes you want the opinion of people who are ahead of you. And then other times you want the opinion of people who somebody is a little bit behind you, because maybe you forgot about some things, or you just want to get a new perspective, a fresh perspective. And sometimes that person doesn't know the pitfalls or the things that, the hurdles that somebody who's already been in the industry might have known. This new fresh face that can look at it from the outside in could help you see things from a much better perspective that could help you in your business. So I highly recommend that you get in some type of support group or community as soon as you can, as best as you can. You know what I mean? Whether it's a free one, a paid one, whatever the case may be, but make sure you get in some type of community. Here's the second thing that every entrepreneur must have. Underrated thing, but you got to have this these days, and it is a CRM, a customer relationship management software. And you need a CRM because you want to be able to track all of your interactions with your customers and your prospects. So if you meet somebody today and they just give you your business card, this is a fresh lead. It's not really hot, it's not really cold, but it's a lead nonetheless. And so you can enter that lead into your CRM and always keep track of these people. If you ever have businesses that you ever shop with and they just send you like a random happy birthday email or a birthday text, and you're like, wow, they know my birthday, right? And you make it feel a little bit special. They might even give you a discount for your birthday. How are they able to do this? It's because they're using a CRM system that's able to track everything that they got about you. So they know your email, they know your phone number, they know your birthday in some cases, they know, what you purchased from them in the past, what you might be interested in purchasing from them in the future. And so if you have this tool in your business, you can 10x your business just by that, because you are tracking the customer's needs through every step of the way, from the time that you meet them all the way into the future of the interactions with the customer. So you definitely want to have a CRM. It's so much more important. It's just so important. I can't even stress it enough. I know for my CRM that I use, all of my emails are tracked in it. All of the text messages are tracked in it. All of my social media interactions with my customers are tracked in it. Everything, Google business profile interactions are tracked in it. Website chats on my website are tracked in it. When somebody completes a form on my website, that's tracked in it. So literally any type of interaction with the customers tracked in it, their previous sales and history and all of that good stuff. So we know exactly, how to interact with them as we're calling them. So if they give us a call and they say, hey, can you check out this past charge on my account? Or do you know if you're going to have, whatever the case may be, right? But that CRM is so powerful, and it can track things, and you can make your company too, especially for my newbies, your customer look a lot bigger than what it actually is, which can help you close bigger deals, because big businesses want to do business with bigger businesses, right? People that can handle their workload. Definitely get your CRM. The third underrated thing that you definitely should have in your business as a business owner, you need a mentor, some type of coach or mentor, somebody that's going to guide you down the path. A lot of times your coach or your mentor is probably going to be the leader of that community that we talked about that you might join, but it got to be somebody that you follow, that you just know, all right, this is my North Star, they're going to keep me on track. And then sometimes if it's a paid mentor or coach, if it's a coach, they probably can hold you accountable as well. So they might give you tasks to do where you can continue listening to what they tell you to do. As long as you follow what they tell you to do, you'll start moving towards your goal of actually being successful. And then make sure that this coach or mentor is either walk the walk already, or they're actually walking the walk right now. So make sure you vet your coach or your mentor and figure out if this person is right for you. But you never want to just go into something blind with absolutely no experience. Like, I would never just go start an HVAC company and I have no guidance, nobody to tell me what to do. I'm just trying to figure it out and wing it on my own. Yes, you can do it. I mean, like I said, Google is this, YouTube is this, right? You can do it, but you're going to waste probably a lot more time than you needed to had you just went ahead and got you a mentor or coach who actually specializes in these things. I'm telling you, so many nuances and different things in business that nobody really tells you about. But if you can get that coach or that mentor that's been through it, they can tell you, okay, listen, you're doing this now. It's about time for you to go ahead and switch from being taxed as a LLC, a single member LLC, and it's time to be taxed as a S Corp now. Or it might be say, you know what, actually it'd be best for you to be taxed as a C Corp. Or maybe it's time for you to hire a salesperson. You thought you needed an operations manager, but really you need a salesperson, right? So when you got a coach or a mentor that can look at your business and analyze where you are today and where you're trying to get to and piece those pieces together for you because they've already done it, that will get you just through the journey so much faster and get you that much closer to your goal way quicker than you ever could imagine had you just went alone. The fourth thing that you're going to need that's super underrated is an affordable tech stack that you know how to navigate. Now, what do I mean by tech stack? Well, when I say tech stack, I'm talking about all of the software systems that you're going to use, because when you own a business, you're going to need some things. So you're going to need a website that's run through a software. You're going to need different forms to put on your website. That could be a whole separate software. You're going to need social media management software because a lot of times they want you to be omnipresent these days in business. Well, if you're trying to log into every social media profile, it's very time consuming. And as business owners, we don't have time to be content creators. We're just trying to run our business while also promoting it on social media. Well, if you can get a social media management software to control that for you, that helps you and saves you a ton. So you got so many different aspects of your business. Your accounting software, that's going to be another part of your tech stack. So many different things. Managing your people, again, I mentioned CRM earlier, that's part of your tech stack. So you want to get some type of tech stack of all of these softwares where it can be affordable and that also you actually know how to go in and do it, because what we don't want to be doing is going out hiring people every single time you got to tweak something on your website, or every single time that you got to figure out how to send a text to your people in one mass or do one email marketing campaign. You need to know how to do these things. And so if you can get an affordable tech stack and then also one that's actually low tech that you can actually manage yourself and you don't have to pay somebody every time, that will take you an extremely long way. I was just talking to a client the other day. He was talking about how he had 23 different software subscriptions for his tech stack and he had to get rid of about, I think he got it down to like 8. You would be surprised how many softwares will start to add up as you're in business because you spread all over the place. So definitely try to get you an affordable tech stack, keep those subscriptions low, and then also make sure the tech stack is the type of technology that you know how to use. And finally, the fifth underrated tool that a business owner will need in today's climate will be 24/7 customer service. Now, this is one that I'm actually just now implementing to my business now, so I can't even judge it if you don't have it, but we all can have it today. And the reason why is because of AI. So if you got artificial intelligence, you can put it into your business and literally have it answer phone calls on behalf of your business. It can reply to emails on behalf of your business, reply to text messages on behalf of your business. And that way your doors are never technically closed because the AI itself can always interact with your leads or potential clients or even current clients, even when you're sound asleep in bed at night, right? And so definitely, if you haven't gotten into AI, you haven't started implementing that in your business, and hopefully in a way where it can allow you to have customer service 24 hours a day, now is the time to start looking into that. And I know there's a lot of people out there who just like anti-AI, and you see a lot of the defects that could come with it. I get it. I understand the risks I'm with you, but at the end of the day, in this capitalistic world, if you want to survive, you got to keep up with the times. It is what it is, right? So at least look into it. Make sure your business can survive and get your business to the place where it needs to be, and look into that AI, see how you can incorporate that. If you want to incorporate all of these 5 things, guess what? My company, Clean Biz Network, can help you with all of those things. So I do own a software company that has an all-in-one software that it allows you to do AI with 24-hour tech support. It also has website hosting. You can also get your business phone number through it. You can do so many different things. It's all-in-one program. It's built on the back of a huge company called Go High Level, but we've also added our own features to it to make it specific to the cleaning industry, but also if you're in the service business, it can help you just as much. So if you want to join, it's only $99 a month just to join Clean Biz Network. And in addition to the software, it comes with the community that I was talking about. I'll also be your coach, where we do monthly group coaching calls via Zoom every single month. I'm also active in the community answering your questions as you come in. So like I said, when you got those questions and you need to ask an expert, I'm your guy. I'll be in it. I've been running my own company since I was 19. I'm 38 now. So you're talking about 2 decades right now. Hop up in there. You can go to www.cleanbiznetwork.app to join. We do have a free trial if you want to check that out. Just use the promo code at checkout and put in challenge, and you can get a free 30-day trial to the Clean Biz Network and see if it's a good fit for you. Y'all come network with us. We got members all over the world. I've had thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs here for free on YouTube, and even better, inside of my community and Clean Biz Network. Hopefully these tips were able to help you, and let's build these businesses and grow these businesses to the best we can, y'all. Don't let these underrated hacks hold you back. Go ahead and implement them and get ahead of the game, y'all. I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network. Thank y'all for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Are you looking to start your own cleaning company? Or maybe you started your cleaning company, but you just need a support group, some mentorship, some guidance. Hell, a bidding calculator just to help you know if you're pricing the job correctly. Join us at cleanbiznetwork.app. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.app today and get on the right track with your cleaning company. We have everything you could possibly need to get you going in the right direction, and see why we've been the leading cleaning business consulting company for the past 5 years, and why they call me, AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT. So I can help you just like I've helped, and my company has helped thousands of other people start and grow their cleaning companies. Go to the #1 source today, www.cleanbiznetwork.app. Thank you.